Welcome to the New Jersey Courts Video Training Library. The topics that will be covered in this training are overview, roles and access, navigation to the eCourts expungement system portal, expungement process, creating and submitting a petition and/or proposed order for regular expungement, creating and submitting a petition and/or proposed order for clean slate expungement, saving a regular or clean slate petition and/or proposed order for later submission, email notification, eCourts expungement system portal in progress workbasket, search, refresh, export, sort, pagination, expand, collapse, upload document, and view expungement case jacket. The eCourts expungement system provides an automated mechanism for a regular, clean slate, or marijuana expungement petition and/or proposed order to be filed, reviewed, and processed by various user roles. The filer, self-represented litigant, or private attorney filing on behalf of the petitioner, chooses cases to be expunged and submits a petition and/or proposed order that is reviewed by the prosecutor. The county prosecutor provides a response to the petition and/or proposed order and uploads their response letter. The filer can upload the petitioner response letter in response to the prosecutor's objection. Court staff can review the complete list of cases, save the final order for the judge to review, or submit an expungement decision on behalf of the judge to deny or grant the final order for expungement. Court staff can schedule an expungement hearing manually outside the system. Judges can review the complete list of cases within the petition and/or proposed order, or submit an expungement decision to deny or grant the final order for expungement. Self-represented litigants can initiate and submit a petition and/or proposed order for regular, clean slate, or marijuana expungement using a criminal, municipal, or family FO or FJ docket case. Private attorneys can initiate and submit a petition and/or proposed order for regular or clean slate expungement using a criminal, municipal, or family FO or FJ docket case on behalf of the petitioner. The self-represented litigant enters login credentials established via the self-registration portal and clicks the Login button. Private attorney enters the login credentials, valid attorney ID and password, and clicks the Login button. Tiles will be displayed based on the self-represented litigant private attorney's access. Select the tile for eCourts expungement system. The private attorney will select the firm they are associated with and certify before confirming. Self-represented litigant or private attorney can select the appropriate tile for the desired action. Select In Progress Expungements to access expungement cases that are still being processed. Select Initiate Expungement to create a new petition for expungement. To create a new petition and/or proposed order, click the Initiate Expungement tile from the expungement homepage. Select the court, division, criminal, municipal, or family of the case through which you are initiating an expungement. To return to the eCourts expungement system homepage, click the Cancel button. To start a new expungement petition for a primary municipal case, select Court Division as Municipal and enter a complaint number for the defendant in the provided fields. Then click the Search button. To start a new expungement petition for a primary family case, select Court Division as Family and enter an FO or FJ docket number for the defendant in the provided fields, and then click the Search button. To start a new expungement petition for a primary criminal case, select Court Division as Criminal and enter a Promise Gavel PG case number for the defendant in the provided fields. Then click the Search button. To remove your result and start over, click the Reset button. To return to the eCourts expungement system homepage, click the Cancel button. To proceed, click the Initiate button for the desired defendant's case. Upon clicking the Initiate button, a pop-up window is displayed to select the expungement type, marijuana, clean slate, or regular. After selecting a value, click the Confirm button. The Defendant Information section displays at the top of every screen with defendant details such as name, SBI number, date of birth, alias, and other contact information. This section retrieves and displays the defendant's information based on the information entered on the self-registration portal for the self-represented litigants or from the initiating case for the private attorney. The Petition for Expungement section displays details about the petition in the following fields: filer, expungement type, and court division. The filing county court field is pre-filled based on the county you are filing in. The Add Documents link enables you to upload up to 5 PDF documents relevant to the expungement petition and is displayed at the bottom of all screens. Click Next. The Retrieve Cases screen displays the disclaimer. Please review the disclaimer section indicating that the system may not include a petitioner's full criminal history and that a petitioner may still need to acquire this information separately. The Retrieve Cases screen lists all the defendant's cases the system has retrieved from various source systems. They are listed in sections according to type: criminal, municipal, and family. Use the checkboxes on the left side to deselect a specific case or an entire section of cases and exclude them from the petition and/or proposed order. Note: this feature is especially useful when erroneous cases have been retrieved, including those with other SBI numbers. Criminal court cases display the indictment accusation number if available, charges, arrest, or complaint issue date, disposition, and disposition date on the case line entry. Expanding the case using the twisty arrow, show the associated complaint, full charge information, and assigned court. Municipal court cases display the linked criminal case if applicable, charges, arrest, or complaint issue date, disposition, and disposition date on the case line entry. Expanding the case using the twisty arrows shows the complaint status, full charge information, and assigned court. To see any additional cases associated with the municipal case, for example, Family FOFJ docket, hover over the linked case ID field. Family court cases display the defendant's case relationship: co-defendant, co-delinquent, defendant, or juvenile, charges, arrest, or complaint issue date, disposition, and disposition date on the case line entry. Note: for self-represented litigant, FJ docket types, juvenile cases in family division, are excluded. An FJ case will be listed on this screen only if the petitioner initiated the expungement with it. Expanding the case using the twisty arrows shows the associated complaints, full charge information, and assigned court. If you save the petition and/or proposed order and return to it after 24 hours, an informational message will display that advises additional cases may have been added to the source system since the petition and/or proposed order was created. Click on the refresh icon to refresh the data from the source systems. As you move through the petition and/or proposed order screens, you will have the option to save or cancel at any time using the buttons on the bottom right. Remember to click Save before closing the petition and/or proposed order if you are unable to complete it in one session. The saved petition will display in your in-progress work baskets with a status of New. The next screen after you've reviewed and retrieved cases is the Additional Cases screen. This screen provides options to add additional cases that were not systematically retrieved to the petition and/or proposed order. To conduct a system search for a specific case, select Criminal, Municipal, or Family from the Court Division drop-down menu. Enter the required data in the fields that display, and click Search. To remove your result and start over, click the Reset button. To add the case to the petition and/or proposed order, click Add. To remove an added case, click Remove. To manually add an out-of-state case or an in-state record that has not been successfully retrieved, select Other, Out-of-State, or Arrest-Only Records, Older Cases, from the drop-down menu as applicable. Enter the required data in the fields that display. To add the result to the petition and/or proposed order, click Add. Click Next to move on to the following screen. The Case List screen displays the cases the petitioner selected on the Retrieve Cases screen, as well as any cases added on the Additional Cases screen. The petition PDF will display all cases that were identified and added. Only the cases selected via the checkbox are included in the proposed order. For clean slate expungements, the Case List screen will pre-select all cases, and you can choose to deselect cases to appear on the proposed order. For regular expungements, cases will not be selected on the Case List screen. and you will have to select the cases that you wish to include on the proposed order. Review this screen carefully to be sure the case list is complete and accurate. Selected cases will display on the proposed order. If any cases are missing an arrest date, you must click the pencil icon to add it. If an arrest date is not available, use the complaint issue date. Then click Next. The verification screen enables the user to certify and verify statements and provides supplemental information for some of the selected statements. The first statement in the certification and verification sections are mandatory. The language on the screen will be different based on the filer. The screen displayed is for the self-represented litigant. The screen will capture certification that they have provided truthful information, verification that there are no disorderly persons, petty disorderly persons, indictable charges, or juvenile delinquency matters currently pending against them. The petitioner may check off additional optional statements regarding previously granted sealing, expungement relief in any state or federal court, legal name change, more than 3 years but less than 5 years having elapsed since last conviction, incarceration, etc., inclusion of a third or fourth degree controlled dangerous substance crime in the expungement. The proposed order screen facilitates the following: identifies parties who must be notified that the petition and/or proposed order has been filed. To add additional parties, click Other Applicable Parties drop-down or click Add Party. The Financial Obligations Restitution Details section allows you to enter details regarding the defendant's outstanding financial obligations to the court at the time of filing. Click the Preview Proposed Order button to open a draft version of the proposed order. The selected cases from the case list screen will be displayed on the PDF. Click the Preview Petition button to open a draft version of the petition PDF. Click the Submit button to submit the petition and/or proposed order for prosecutor review. A draft of the proposed order PDF that will be generated when you submit the petition and/or proposed order will open when the Preview Proposed Order button is clicked. It is important to preview the PDF to be certain all necessary information is included. A draft of the petition PDF that will be generated when you submit the petition and/or proposed order will open when you click on the Preview Petition button. It is important to preview the PDF to be certain all necessary information is included. Once you have previewed the drafts of the proposed order and petition, click Submit. This will open a pop-up window to confirm or cancel your submission. If you choose to cancel, you will return to the petition and/or proposed order and may make any necessary changes. Upon confirmation and submission, the system will display a success message at the top of the screen, indicating the petition and/or proposed order was successfully submitted. The system will also generate a unique expungement case number. The petitioner will be sent an email notification after the petition is submitted, when the prosecutor submits a response, when the order is finalized, or when the expungement case is withdrawn. An electronic copy of each notification is saved to the expungement case jacket. After the petition and/or proposed order is submitted, return to the expungements homepage and select the In Progress Expungements tile. The case that was just submitted will be in pending prosecutor review status. The following columns are displayed: expungement number, the system-generated case number when the self-represented litigant or private attorney submits the petition and/or proposed order, defendant, defendant's name in the format of first name, middle initial, and last name, SBI, unique identifier for the defendant assigned by the state police, filing date, date when the petition and/or proposed order was filed and submitted. Default sort is by earliest date. Expungement type identifies the type of expungement, marijuana, regular or clean slate. Status indicates the petition and/or proposed order status as it moves through the stages of the process. New, pending prosecutor review, awaiting judicial decision, order denied or order granted. Decision date identifies the date the final order is granted or denied. Attention identifies if the prosecutor has submitted an objection response. A self-represented litigant does not have the functionality to search for a case. A private attorney can click the Add Change link next to Search By to open a Search Parameters pop-up window. The Search Parameters pop-up window is displayed. Court division defaults to criminal. Expungement type defaults to all. Filing county court defaults to all. Click the Add Search Criteria link to choose additional criteria. Select the value from the Search Criteria drop-down list and enter the desired search criteria. defendant name, SBI number, or status. Click the search button when done entering the search criteria and return to the workbasket with results matching your criteria. Click the reset button to clear the search parameters entered previously. Click the close button to close the search parameter pop-up window and return to the workbasket. The workbasket screen displays the search results matching the criteria entered. The number of results found is displayed. To clear the search criteria, click the X next to the criteria or select Add Change, and click the Reset button from within the search pop-up window. Click the Refresh link to refresh the page with the latest information. This action will update the petition status, display any new petition that was submitted, and remove any petition that was withdrawn. Click the Export icon next to Refresh to download an Excel file with the workbasket information. Click the Sort icon on the filing date or status column to sort the workbasket information in ascending or descending order by that header. The workbasket displays 10 records per page. When there are more than 10 records, click the arrows next to the page number to navigate to first, previous, next, and last pages. Click the twisty to expand the petition information for a defendant to view more details such as date of birth, filing county court, prosecutor response, or hearing date. When no value is returned, 2 dashes will be displayed. Click the twisty again to collapse the petition information. The petition and/or proposed order status submitted by the petitioner is in pending prosecutor review. The Open button will no longer be accessible, but you may still use the Action menu to upload relevant documents, view the case jacket, or withdraw the petition if necessary. If the self-represented litigant or private attorney adds a document from within the case or uploads from the in-progress workbasket, the system will display the Upload Document pop-up window. You can only upload documents in PDF format, and they will be saved to the case jacket. Click Select Files to browse the File Explorer and find the file, or drag and drop the desired file into the middle section with the paperclip. You can utilize this function to upload a petitioner response letter if there's a prosecutor's objection. Enter the file, date, and document type from the available list of options, then click the Save button. When a document type of Other is selected, the document description is required. From the workbasket, choose the action View Expungement Case Jacket, and then click on the Documents tab. Click the columns header to sort the columns in ascending or descending order. Default sort is by earliest entry date. Click the paperclip to view the PDF associated with a particular entry. Click the envelope to view the PDF of the electronic copy of the notification that is sent to the self-represented litigant and private attorney when the petition is submitted, prosecutor submits response, final order is granted or denied, or when the petition is withdrawn. File date is the date the petition is filed. Defendant name is the name of the defendant whose petition is filed. Filings displays a paperclip of the PDF document attached to the entry and may also display an envelope icon if there is an electronic copy of an email. Docket text is the description of the action or event initiated by various users. Transaction ID is the unique system-generated identifier for the event. Entry date is the date the entry was created. Entered by displays the user who initiates the action. To withdraw a petition, click the icon to the right of the Open button and select Withdraw Petition. After clicking the Withdraw Petition action from the work list, a confirmation pop-up window is displayed. Review the information, then click the Confirm button. The case is automatically removed from the work list, but can be searched by private attorney if needed. The Expungement Notifications workbasket will display records for expungement cases after the petition and/or proposed order is submitted. Notified parties will open and review the petition. The parties listed and other agencies will also be notified when the final order is granted. If you require technical assistance with the eCourts expungement system, please contact the help desk. This concludes this video.